one's Amy. That one's Willow. What? Over here. Sorry, you probably can't see her too well. That right there is Maisie, our sheep. She's really messy for some reason. She likes to lay in, like, she lays in the hay and it gets all over. Oh, hi. Oh, stop freaking out. There you go. Okay, girls. Be free. Hi, girls. Why are you laughing? Oh my gosh, guys, no, you can't eat that. Guys, no, that's not for you. Calm down! I have to grab an egg on the other side of the enclosure. Let's just look up goats! Guys, you're not supposed to be out there! You guys can have so much privacy.